BiKi Liquidity Mining is a one-click mining with double income. Let us guide you on how to perform liquidity mining. Log in your BiKi app. Note, liquidity mining is currently limited to app version only. Click Liquidity Mining on the home page. Select Token Pair and click Start. Click Mining Rules to read and understand the liquidity mining instructions. Here is a demonstration for everyone. You can select AI recommended or custom strategies. Input the amount of invested assets and click Start Mining. Over here, you will be able to see the details of in-process and completed orders by the robot. Liquidity mining rewards will be released to the user's account at 11 o'clock GMT plus 8 daily. You can click Assets, Fund Details, Filter by Mining Rewards to check the details. The above will be operating guide to BiKi Liquidity Mining. If you have any further questions, please contact our online service located on the app homepage, or you can join our official community groups to get more guidance.